He's putting higher efforts, or maybe he got a chance to graduate from, or maybe his father was already VP, vice president of the bank, so he gave a good chance to his son, and he just overcame directly to the management positions, right? We call this luck, chance, whatsoever. So if you understand these concepts, please answer this concept checker. I would be reading this concept checker, and I want your 100% participation here. So working in a slaughterhouse is much riskier and more unpleasant than working in a bookstore. As a result, we would expect a difference in wages between the two jobs. The difference is known as, can you please pick the right answer here?
B.
B. Everybody B? Right? Because we talk about that, we can place this differential into good jobs, bad jobs, and good job, bad job is not about like the word we are normally used. It's not about cheap jobs. Good jobs and bad job with respect to economics. Bad jobs means the working environment is unpleasant, it's riskier, dangerous, right? So the other one, if a worker is indifferent between a job with a wage of $12 per hour and a job with a wage of $15 per hour, nothing else mentioned. Like he cannot, make a difference between the job of $12 and $15. So what is the possible reason? Answer that. What is the answer here?
Is it A or C?
You said A or C. Kathleen, why are you confused in two? So let's talk about the C. Higher paying jobs is intrinsically more attractive than the low paying job. Wow. In high paying jobs, enjoy a compensating differential of 3 per dollar. Anybody else? We are confused between A and C. Harry, Junpyo, Landry, Min, Ping Ping.
I think it's A.
A. The answer is A, not C. Why? Because intrinsically or fundamentally, the differences are due to human capital, compensating differential, ability, chance, and effort, right? So we here say that the job characteristics are the same, but one is giving you higher salary and one is giving you lower salary. Right, Kathleen?
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay, good. Now this third one, store clerks are known to have a low wages. So what is the reason?
I think it's A.
A.
Yeah, A.
Okay, very nice. Well done, guys. Okay, there's a case study in your book, and it says the benefits of a beauty. Whether the benefits, the beauty can give you benefits in having a higher job. So just for your own. Okay, now let's talk about the fourth one, which is signaling, which is an alternative to a view of education. So what we talk about the human capital theory or human capital perspective of having equilibrium wage. We talk about that higher education means higher salary or compensation, whatever you can call. Wages, higher wages, compensation, higher salaries. But signaling says that, let me change to a whiteboard here. So what if you are working in chemical industry and you are chemist, right? And your job is junior chemist and you want to be promoted as senior chemist, but you have college degree, which is bachelor's of, you can say that, chemistry whatsoever. But education theory says that, okay, if you get the master's in economics, are you entitled to get this promotion? The human capital theory says that higher education means higher salary, right? So according to the human capital theory, you would be promoted as a senior chemist because you have a university degree. But signaling theory says that no, this promotion will be given to that person who will be holding master degree in chemistry, right? So here at that time there were two workers. Both got the bachelor of chemistry, but then A gets its master degree in economics and B gets its degree in masters in chemistry. Who will get the job? Who will be promoted as senior chemist? B will be getting the promotion in the chemical industry as senior chemist. You get my idea, everyone? Landry, Harry, Junpyo, Min, Ping Ping, Kathleen, Anis.
Yes, understand.
Okay, so let's talk about here. So signaling, firms use educational attainment as a way of sorting between high ability and low ability workers. It is the rationale for the firms to intercept a college degree as a signal of ability. So human capital says that education increased productivity, but signaling says that yes, education increased productivity, but the that education which increased the productivity, which is correlated to ability. So if I am a chemist and I got the mathematics degree, or if I got, the accounting degree, so I am not, becoming a scientist in chemistry, right? So only that education will increase productivity, which is correlated to your ability to perform job. So that is the difference between human capital theory and signaling theory. Signaling says that the related education will give you higher salary, and human capital say that just any kind of education, if you have a college degree in any subject, you have any other specialization, you will be promoted, you will be giving higher salary. But signaling says that only relevant degree gonna give you higher salary, right? So my question is, sorry, the education gonna give you higher salary? What would be your answer? That's my question. Does education give you higher salary?
Yes,
How?
because we look at the human capital theory. So if
No,
you
general
higher
question. You are not looking at the theories. I'm just gonna give you, for example, this is a question, right? Does education give you higher salary? What would be your answer?
yes,
Answer says it depends. If education is related to your job, then yes, it will give you higher salary. If education is not related to your job, then it will not give you higher salary, right? Signaling theory says that higher education but related. I'm going to highlight this one. This is very important point here. Related.